This video was made by Taoping Airlines Math Industry. We hope you enjoy this video and have a wonderful learning experience. Hey, Taoping Airlines Math Industry, and we're going to be looking about more on angles. So, in the past videos, we have been reviewing angles such as right angles, acute angles, and obtuse angles. But wait, there are even more types of angles. There are complementary angles, supplementary angles, and vertical angles. With these kind of angles versus these kind of angles, with right, acute, and obtuse, it is defining what kind of angle it is. But with complementary, supplementary, and vertical angles, these kind will actually help you figure out how wide each angle is. And there are two angles in these kinds of angles. Let's start explaining. So, with complementary angles, there are angles that add up to 90 degrees. So pretty much 70 plus 20 is 90. So pretty much, these two angles, 20 and 70, they both equal 90 degrees. This is an example of a complementary angle.
This empty parking lot is just a ticket. Like every young person, an office holder needs plenty of open, obstacle-free space at the front to their mission.
Mr. Krabs, you're so wise.
Just disagree with you there. Alright, put her in gear.
Rookie mistake, right?
I suppose so. Now slowly inch forward and we'll check out the damage.
The reason why it's called a complementary angle is because when SpongeBob was trying to be taught how to drive by Mr. Krabs, he floored on the pedal in reverse and he smashed into the Krusty Krab. But as he pulled out of it, he never knew the anchor was attached to the wall, so that popped off and it fell 90 degrees to the ground. So remember, complementary angles are angles that are equal to 90 degrees. Our second kind of angles we'll be reviewing is a supplementary angle. Supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. Like for example, 130 plus 50 equals 180. 180 degrees is a straight line. 130 plus 50 is 180. Remember, two angles that equal up to 180 degrees. Like this, for example. Patrick being beat up by an invisible man can relate to a supplementary angle because as Patrick was being swung back and forth by an invisible man, he was going back and forth, and that resembles 180 degrees. So remember, supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. Our last angles that we're going to be reviewing is a vertical angle. Vertical angles are equal to each other. So you notice that this side is 90 degrees and this side is 90 degrees. So vertical angles are going to be equal to each other. Like for this, for example.
Oh, jeez. Why do I have to do everything?
Gary, Mr. Krabs, any hazards on the horizon?
Looking clear so far.
Squidward, keep those circuits warm. Patrick, hang on!
One frozen wasteland later.
So when Patrick was stretching, he was making vertical angles or vertical lines because this line, this angle, is the same thing as this angle. So that's an example of a vertical line, angles that will equal to each other. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching Taoping Airlines Math Industry. Like and subscribe. Taoping Airlines Math Industry, mission out.